Hi, I'm Jenna and today I'm making my first ever Diamond Dot bracelet. It's super easy and fun to make. Here's what's in the kit. In the kit you have the bracelet itself, the stylus and the soft grip, the tray to put your diamond dots in, the diamond dots themselves, the key and the wax. Here's how you make it. First, grab your stylus and put some wax on the stylus. Then, grab a diamond dot using your stylus from the tray, peel back the film, and then place it on the sticky surface. Each diamond dot has a round and a flat side. Make sure when you're picking up the diamond dot, you're picking up the round side. So when you place it on the sticky surface, the round side is facing up. It's that easy. This is one of the finished bracelets. I love it so much. It's so nice. Here are some other finished ones.